Welcome back, guys, for another price analysis, and this time it's gonna be about Ethereum. What's up with Ethereum? Why did it lose 5% today? We saw it yesterday at $350, now $322. So I don't think we're gonna get back to 300. I think that was a common 50% retracement, as the market was really hyped in the last days and there was a major altcoin sell-off. Ethereum gained, 10-15% in the last 2 days. So this is completely okay for me. As you see here, we were at 300, 350, almost 346, and now back on 322. Well, this is usual in Ethereum. I'm in so long right now. It's almost a year. And I'm used to watch it this. Well, I bought in first time at $17, so I'm always confident and thankful for get to know Ethereum in the early stages. Well, what's happening tomorrow? Tomorrow BYZANTIUM, the fork, is gonna go live. Hours to go. How to watch Ethereum's fork as it happens. So in this CoinDesk article, it says that it's scheduled to occur tomorrow at 6 o'clock UTC at press time. I don't know what UTC means for me. I'm in the Central European time, Berlin, Rome, Oslo. I'm gonna get informed about that because I want to be watching it. Man, oh man, if only I would have 10,000 channel views, I would make a nice live stream tomorrow while the BYZANTIUM fork happens. I need 3,000 visualization for that. I hope those 4 or 5 videos I'm putting out today get me there. Well, it would be amazing. So tomorrow I could start a live stream about the BYZANTIUM. Now you can go and inform yourself about what BYZANTIUM is. I made a previous video in it. Make sure you go and watch it if you are really interested. Here it explains also a little bit about mining hash rate. Once the fork happens, user will want to track how much of Ethereum ecosystem moves over and how quickly they do so, because the big thing is understanding that if the whole community switches to BYZANTIUM, to the new upgrade, that's going to be a soft fork. It's going to be a hard fork just in case some people will decide to stay on the old blockchain and there will be created another Ethereum coin. Nodes, but miners are not the only stakeholders in Ethereum who need to upgrade. Developers, users and companies running nodes which store a fully copy of the ledger also need to download new software of risk falling behind. Ether nodes track how many node operators are running clients compatible with BYZANTIUM. Geth, the most popular Ethereum client, released fork-ready software in version about a week ago, as I said in my BYZANTIUM video. Of course, there may be more immediate reasons you worried about a split. If money is on the mine, you can always be sure to monitor the price of Ether. For that, you can turn into this Ethereum price page. It's also from CoinDesk, and which will update in real times as the fork happens. Right now 60% of Geth nodes and 27% of parity nodes have upgraded to a fork compatible version. With just a few days left before the fork, most nodes operators will still need to upgrade. So we will see this between today and tomorrow, 6 o'clock UTC time. It will happen on block 4,370,000. And that's exactly what the market is watching and waiting to see. So let's get into the price analysis. I drew some lines. This is I would say, my price trend line. It doesn't go exponential actually as the price goes. Here we touched, I think it was the 3rd standard deviation. I'm gonna make a 50-day average Bollinger with 3 standard deviation. Now let's make it green, yellow and red. Yeah, there we go. We touched the 2nd and the 3rd. Now let's make a 2nd one with a 50-day average. Yeah, 2 deviation And again, what was it? This one? Green, yellow, and red. Now we see what we see. We are actually under the average price, the 50 days average price, and we crossed downwards to this support line, this average price. Now what's to watch? As soon as it hits the first standard deviation, or this line that I drew, we should be in place to predict if the price bounces up or continues to downtrend. Now it's very unlikely that it continues to downtrend because there was a huge sell-off, and actually the last 3 months was July, August, September, and now we are in October and it's still going down the price. It's very, very strange. But yeah, many ICOs, so Ethereum will be sold off for ICOs, even Ethereum will be sold off for BTC as it forks. But tomorrow is the Byzantium fork, so I don't understand why people, well, maybe because it's gonna be a soft fork. But yeah, in case it's gonna be a hard fork, those who stake Ethereum in a, you know, in a wallet where you control your private keys, you're gonna get Ethereum Byzantium, or I don't know what's the name called, in case it forks. It splits the chain. So this is my price analysis. Guys, if you have some coins I should review for you, I should make price analysis too, just comment it in the comment section below. Let me know, and I try to do as fast as possible with uploading that video with that price analysis or talking about that exact coin. Subscribe and like to the page, to the channel. If you want to get more, or if you want to get every video, just hit the bell by subscribing. And that was it. See you at the next price analysis or video or review. I'll just decide what I make next.